welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to make a Thai soup. It's called Tom Yum soup. So before that, I want to say thank you guys for watching my YouTube channels, and especially my videos that I uploaded every day. So please don't forget to subscribe my channel, share, like, and please click the bell for the notification. So guys, I hope you will like my recipe. This recipe, it's my lunch. So it starts, guys.
And now the ingredients are ready for cooking. Shrimp, tomato, mushroom, lemongrass, lime, galangal, tom yum paste, red chili, kaffir leaf, and red onions. So those are our ingredients for tom yum soup. So now we have to clean and wash for ready for slicing. We should clean one by one so that the virus it will not scattered everywhere. Shallot. And now we have to cut the kaffir leaves. So cut into very small. So if you want to eat, you can eat it. Kaffir leaf is good for our body. Kaffir health benefits are they can give us treats digestive issues, reduce stress, improve oral health, skin care, boost immunity, mind relaxing, and prohibiting cancer, and etc. And now we have to cut the galangal. So cut into small. So if you want to eat it, you can eat also because galangal is good for our body. So mostly the Thailander all like to eat like this kind of vegetable. And now slice the red onions into small. And also the lemongrass. So you should remove the very hard stem. So because that one is you can eat it. So and then cut into small, and then you can eat it because the lemongrass is it's good for our body. The one it's like a herbal. So now is the red chili. So I removed the seeds. So because we don't like to eat very hot and spicy, but the people in the Thailand, if they will eat the spicy, but here they don't like it. So I removed the seeds, so it will not hot and spicy for them. Now it's ready for cooking. And now I have to boil the water for 1 liter for tom yum paste. When it's boiling, so you should pour the tom yum paste and then mix it until it's become liquid. Then put the lemongrass, galangal, and also the red onion. So then cook for 1 minute to 2 minutes. Then follow the shrimp, cook for 1 minute. Then tomato, then stir it. Then put the lid on for 1 minute. Add the mushroom. Stir it again. Then put the kaffir leaves. Then the red chili. Now it's ready to serve. And then squeeze some of lime. And now enjoy eating. Yummy, delicious.